Most photos don't fail because of bad cameras. They fail because the photographer, stood in the wrong spot. And the fix takes, as you're going to find out, 2 seconds. So stick with me, because if you apply this one change today, your compositions will look cleaner and more intentional immediately. Now, if you're new to the Photography Talk channel, let me quickly explain something. This video is part of my Shoot Happens series, where I break down photography topics in plain English to help beginner photographers improve faster with less confusion. If you want practical tips like this every single week, subscribe now. There's a new Shoot Happens video every single week, plus other helpful photography content. So by subscribing, make sure you don't miss anything. All right, let's get to today's topic. Here is the fastest way to improve your composition today. Simply take one step closer. That's it. Physically move closer to your subject. Most weak compositions happen because there's way too much empty, distracting space and not enough subject. Beginners often, they stand where it feels comfortable and shoot from there. The result is a photo where the main subject feels small and the background kind of takes over. You know what I mean? When you step closer, you simplify the frame. You make your subject more dominant. You remove distractions around the edges. You force the viewer to see what you actually care about. Now, this works across almost every type of photography as well. Portraits get stronger because the person, fills more of the frame. Detailed shots get more interesting because textures and features, become more clear. Even landscapes improve because you start emphasizing a foreground element instead of just, recording a wide scene. Now, I use this myself as a quick self-check. After I take a safe shot, I always take a few steps forward and shoot again. More often than not, the closer frame wins. Now, if you physically can't move closer, you still have options. Zoom with your feet when possible, but if you're blocked, like you're looking at the hole in the Grand Canyon, use a longer focal length or crop tighter in the camera. Now, the goal is ultimately, at the end of the day, the same. Reduce what doesn't matter, strengthen what does. There's always a mindset shift here. Instead of asking, what should I include? Ask, what can I remove? Strong composition is often about subtraction, not addition. Now, here's one more quick tip that pairs perfectly with this. As you move closer, watch your edges. Check the borders of your frame for distractions like bright spots, poles, or random objects that are poking in. Cleaning up the edges gives your subject even more visual power. Now, here's the even bigger insight. Good composition is really about complicated rules. It's about clear decisions. When you move closer with intention, you show the viewer exactly what matters in the scene. Now, that clarity is what makes images feel strong and confident. So the next time that you got your camera in your hand, give this trick a try. My guess is that you're going to start out skeptical and end up thinking, hey, man, that was easy and it made such a big difference. All right, friends. That's it for today's episode. As always, thanks for tuning in. If this helped you, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to check out my other Shoot Happen episodes and additional videos for more practical photography tips as well. So until next time, hey, happy shooting, and I will see you in the next video.